mechanicals! A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet too.